In this video, I will show you how to add inventory to your products. So you go to inventory, and again, there are a few ways in order to add your inventory. One way is to import the file that we have mapped to the system, and again, to show you an example, this is what that file is. So location code, just so that you know where that comes from, that is the location that has been allocated for your warehouse, or where you want the inventory to sit when you add inventory to your products. So the code for this particular warehouse is DCL. That is what that represents. Product code is the master SKU that you had actually set for your products. So as you can see, I've called it prod 2 and prod 3. The quantity I want to add of prod 2 is 200, and the cost price of prod 2 is £2.25. Prod 3, we want to add 500 as a quantity, and the price is £7.15. So if I go to inventory, go to import, choose the file, upload this file, and once you refresh the page, as you can see, that CSV has been uploaded and the inventory has been added to the system. You can see here the cost price is pulled through, the quantity is pulled through, the product name, product code, and also whatever the cost price is, timesing that by the quantity, it also gives you a total. Another way to add inventory is by either selecting the product or scanning or putting the product code in here. So to give you an example, if I type in here prod 2 and I move the cursor here, you can see it adds 1 and it allows me to change the cost price if the price has been changed by the supplier. Now if you are adding a couple, it's a lot easier to just type the product in, but sometimes you might get a pallet of products. So for example, if you were to get 100, rather than type in prod 2 100 times, you can either, I'll do this in 50s so it's a lot easier. Once you type in 50 here first, and then you type in the code and you hit tab, you will see that automatically goes to 51. Another way to add is also this way. If I first type in the quantity and I select the product that I want, or I can physically search for the product in my list, and once I hit that, you can see 49 has been added to make that 100. Once you have done this and you have added all your inventory, you can hit submit, and just before I hit submit, I'll just do quickly this one as well, just to show you. Every time you add a new product, it will generate a new line, and once you are finished doing your inventory, you can hit submit. Once you hit submit, you can see here 100 has been added and 100 has been added.